expensive. So health and fitness expert Stephanie Mansour is back with ways that we can create our own wellness weekend or an evening at home. Welcome back. Nice to have you.
Thanks, Sylvia.
I like this idea.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
You know, I had the idea to talk about this because I'm actually planning a weekend wellness getaway with Eagle Ridge Resort and Spa in Galena.
Okay.
And we're planning it for later this year. So if you go to their Facebook or Instagram pages, you can reserve your spot. But if you're looking for something sooner, like a spring break getaway, they have a special $99 a night rate that you could also partake in. So if you're going away for spring break, or if you just want to stay home and have a wellness weeknight or a wellness weekend, there are things that you can do at home. And
so where do we begin?
Yes. So what I like to call mingling or mocktails and mingling. You know, normally if you're at a wellness retreat, you know, I've hosted some of these in other places as well. You know, we do mocktails and conversation with people. But if you're at home doing this by yourself, make yourself a mocktail and put it in a wine glass. So I've got some pulpy, like little chunky here orange juice with some sparkling water. So I mix that in there. You could do kombucha. You could do a glass of or a cup of tea. You could also do a glass of kefir. This is a probiotic protein drink by Lifeway. It's excellent. And do something in the evening that's a beverage that makes you feel good about yourself. And then pick up the phone, call a friend, call a family member. Just try to be social from your couch.
Why does it have to be a mocktail?
I'm just saying mocktail because it's healthier. You know, it's healthier than a glass of wine or vodka soda, but you know, to each their own. So just an idea for you to feel like a little more healthy and like you're doing something for yourself.
Makes sense. Okay.
Another idea is to, you know, obviously exercise. Yes, health and fitness expert telling you to work out. But do something a little bit different. And I know you've tried my Step It Up with Steph workout. Yes. So do a workout that's different than what you're used to doing. I also like integrating bands into workouts. So if you're used to, like these resistance bands, they'll work your inner thighs. They'll, you know, boost up your strength training workout. They're just different. Do something that's fun.
And tell everybody what about your workout because I like it because it's tell everybody explain how it works.
Yes. So I have a 30-minute Step It Up with Steph signature
Anybody
workout.
Can do 30 minutes, right?
Anyone. Yeah, it mixes cardio with strength training, and I've also got 5-minute workouts on here: yoga, Pilates, legs and butt, arms, and you don't need that much to make a big difference.
And you feel it.
Yeah.
People might think, oh, that's not long enough, but you definitely feel it.
You do. Yes, and that's what we're trying to do. If you're doing a wellness weeknight or a wellness weekend, you just want to get into the habit and make things more fun and exciting for yourself. So if you are trying to do your own spa night, you know, I love face masks or the under eye patches. You can even make face masks on your own. Just whip in some Greek yogurt, granola, and honey. Put that on your face. You can buy a face mask. Instead of going to a spa and getting an expensive massage, you could get a neck heater or a pillow, put it on your back, sit on the couch.
That's a neck heater?
It's an electric one. You just plug this in and then put it around your neck, and you can just sit there.
So nice.
I know.
Have you tried this?
I have. I love it.
Take it with me over the side to give it a shot. Oh, I love that idea.
Yeah. It's nice and cozy.
Relaxes you, right?
Yes, it does. Especially if you have chronic neck tension or headaches.
Most of us.
Yeah, this is great to do on the couch. And then finally, meditation is huge. So if you just want to set up a little area of your living room or your house, put a yoga block. Even if you don't use it, this is just like signaling to your brain that this is your meditation station. And you can download free apps. I like Insight Timer as an app, or Headspace a lot of people use. Just 60 seconds. But really, you know, commit to yourself that you're going to add in a little bit of wellness into your everyday life. And eventually this is going to build a habit for you.
That's very nice. So it's all about just getting started,
isn't
it? Okay. You always have great ideas. Where can we go to learn more
Thank you. Yes. Go to stepitupwithsteph.com and download my free guide.
Very nice. Always good to see you, Steph.
You
I'm going to
too.
give these things a shot. Still ahead, Jake.